dude.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Dunkin' Donuts today. How may I help you?
Hi, could I get a large iced caramel swirl, regular with a shot of blueberry? What is going on, guys? It has been a while since I have made a video. The weather out here has been absolutely terrible. It's been super cold. We've had so much snow. Recently, it has gotten slightly better, and as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I have bought a drone. And I have wanted a drone for a long time now, but never justified getting one up until now, and I'm super excited. Now, I have actually never flown a drone before, so this is going to be a first experience for me, and it is going to be a first experience for everyone on this channel, which I think is going to be awesome. Right now, I'm headed to one of my favorite places near my house, and you guys will get to see that. I have filmed there before, but this is going to be pretty damn cool because I've never gotten this type of angle before to be able to see this. So I'm on my way right now. We should be there in a few minutes, and I think this is going to be super sick. Alright guys, so without further ado, welcome to the Westboro State Hospital, formerly known. This place has been closed for a while now. I would probably say around 15 to 18 years or something like that. I don't know exactly when it closed. To give you a bit of a backstory to this place, it opened in the 1890s. There's over 9 buildings here. They're all connected by tunnels. There's a lot of history that happened here, and a lot of people died here. And this being a mental hospital for over 100 years, there's no telling what went on inside of here. I personally don't know too much about it, but I have been inside all the buildings. I have seen the conditions that they are in. A lot of them are collapsing, obviously because they haven't been touched in years and years and years. But this place is super sick. I've been here before, and I have actually shot the Del Sol right there. And I'll throw that clip in right now, but I have not been here for a little while, and I decided this would be a super cool place to test the drone out for the first time, especially since there's no one out here and it's super quiet. But yeah, let's break out the drone and see how this thing works. Alright guys, so here's everything that came with the Mavic Air. You have the box. Inside this box it has other smaller boxes that contain your cords and your charging and extra propellers and documents, all that stuff. You have this super nice case that fits perfectly, and you have also the controller, which I think is super sick because it's super stealth, and even the little joysticks are tucked away inside, and I think that's so cool. And here is the Mavic Air itself. I put the propeller guards on it just because, you know, you can't be too safe. This thing is insane. I've seen videos of people flying this, and I watched Casey Neistat's review. I'm pretty sure everyone has, and it just was the right drone to get. So I decided to pick this up, and I'm super excited to fly this thing. Now, I do have my documentation. I did fill out a FAA registration, so I have that with me. So don't worry about, you know, stuff like this, flying it in this area. There's no people here anyways, so I'm not worried, and it should be fine. So I'm going to get this thing set up, and this isn't going to be a tutorial video or anything. This is just going to be me flying it, my first experience, and how it should be. And I'm super excited, so I'm going to set it up and we'll get going. All right, so I guess how I'm going to do this is just going to set it right off from my my trunk here. I did notice that I have to take the phone case of my phone off because it does not fit inside the clamps, so that is something to think about. But with this, it's Wi-Fi connected, so right now I'm just going to enter the device, connect to the aircraft's Wi-Fi, unfold the arms, install the battery. That's good. Start the aircraft and the RC, aka remote controller. So to start the aircraft, you push once and then hold down for 2 seconds. All right, so now the aircraft and the controller is started. Connection successful. I've watched some tutorials about this already, so I know at least what I'm kind of doing. I didn't want to jump into this just crazy, you know, randomly and have this thing crash somewhere. So I figured that I would watch a couple tutorials, and it seems pretty easy to fly, so I'm eager to do this. So start flight. Oh shit, that's so cool. All right, I'm gonna go through the settings real quick, just make sure I have everything the way I want it, and then we can start flying. So this actually has a style in it, aka, you know, picture profile, and it's got cine-like or cine. So what that does is pretty much just kind of washes out the colors a little bit so that it's able to be color graded easier in post-production. So I'm actually going to turn that on, and I'm going to mess around with that and see how that looks. I am going to shoot this in 4K too, so I'm going to up-res the whole video to 4K so that you get the maximum 4K quality from flying. So that's going to be sick. And I'm just going to shoot it on auto for this. There is a manual function, however, but right now it is very bright out and I don't have any ND filters or any filters for this yet, so it would be super blown out with the shutter speed that I would want it to be at and all that. So I'm just going to leave it at auto for now and save me the headache. Oh, I need to calibrate it. I think it's actually because I'm on a car. The metal is interfering with the Wi-Fi signal, so I'm going to move this over to something that's not metal, and then we will continue. All right, so a little bit of technical difficulties there. I totally forgot to hit the record button on my phone to start recording. So I'm going to hit that right now, and everything is ready to go. 4K, 24 frames a second, 11 minutes of flight time with this memory card. Take off. No. Dude. Hey. This thing is nuts, dude. Alright, let's this thing's crazy. Alright, let's turn. And then go up. Holy crap, dude, this thing is sick. Okay, so there's the pan down controls for the drone there. I'm just gonna mess around and try and get some sick shots of this place. You're coming back. Where is it? Oh shit, I see it. I'm gonna go back to that building that's completely demolished so you guys can see that. I've been inside all of these buildings, and that building is my favorite out of all of them. 27% battery, so that ate it up pretty quick. I can see it up there, dude, that's nuts. This shot is really cool too. All right, I'm gonna go over towards the main building. That was the first building ever made here, and after that, I'm going to come back and land it. Actually, I might get a shot of the lake. Is it bad that I'm doing this right next to a prison? I hope not. I'm getting pretty good with the pan shots. This is my first time trying. Aircraft will return to home point in 7 seconds. So it's gonna return to me without me even doing anything. It's coming home, dude. Yo, I gotta get a shot of this. So, it says it's coming home. I can hear it. I don't know where it is. Oh my God, holy shit, it is up there. You can barely see it. Look at that. How high is that? 222 feet. It looks like a dot. Okay, so I've heard one of the ways that you can shut this thing off is by grabbing it when it's coming down and turning it to the side. So I'm gonna try that when this comes down and see if it works, because that would be so sick. This is insane that it's just coming right back to me. This is nuts. Why the heck didn't I get a drone sooner? Look at it. Okay. No way, dude. This is my favorite toy now. This is my new favorite toy. 100%. I'm back, baby. I don't know, dude. That was so awesome. Why didn't I get a drone sooner? This is like super cool. That was so easy to fly too. This is the first time I've ever flown, and this thing was just perfect. The settings are all the way they were when I first got it. I just changed the color mode and the frame rate and all that stuff. The gimbal settings and all that stiffness settings are all the same. I just did what I tried and it worked, and this thing is sick. So I hope that you guys are super excited for all the videos that I'm gonna make with this year, all of the increase in production value in all the videos, and I'm hyped. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I will be making more videos. I'm sorry that I went MIA for a couple weeks. The weather was just so bad, but you can see right now I'm in a t-shirt and it's like 50 degrees out. So it's coming, spring is coming. I will see you guys at the meet tomorrow in Webster Shopping Plaza, Webster, Massachusetts at 6 o'clock. And I will see you guys in the next video when we slam this thing. Bye-bye.